Add the two fractions below and write the sum in simplest form. Okay, so these two fractions already have the same denominator, so all I have to do is add the numerators. So I'm going to have x squared minus 9x plus 18 over that common denominator x minus 6. And then they want me to put this in simplest form, which means factor as much as you can and see if there are any common factors on the top and the bottom. So this numerator, I could factor to a double bubble, or I'm going to try anyway. Okay, and I need two numbers that multiply to 18 and add to negative 9. I think they have to multiply to a positive 18, but add to negative 9, which means they have to both be negative. So I think negative 6 and negative 3 will do the trick. Yep, and then x minus 6's cancel, and you just get x minus 3, which is option D.